I'm Dana.
Oh, you want to scoot in a little? I think I'm taking over the screen. All right. We'd like to welcome you back to our weekly Facebook Live. So we go live every Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. So we're just going to wait a little bit so that we can have people log on and join us. We have had people tell us that they can't catch us live because we hop on and then hop off. So
our Facebook Lives are a little short. So
they are a little short. So we just kind of hang out, speak fast.
How's everyone's Friday going?
Yes, we hope that you guys are having a great Friday. Spring break is next week.
Next week, yeah.
Yeah, for a lot of people. I know some people had spring break last week.
Yeah.
Well, kind of like the last few weeks, right?
Yeah, I think
depending
so.
on where you live.
I'm not in school anymore, so I don't.
I'm
not quite sure.
No idea. I think I Googled it.
Yeah.
Just to see something, I have no idea, so I Googled it, but I think a lot of people have it this coming week, or so. Yeah. So Google says.
And Easter's coming up this weekend.
Yes, Easter's coming up. Do you have any, did you make the Easter basket, or did you?
I didn't make any basket. I'll probably be making Easter cookies on Saturday.
Ooh. And
then spending Sunday with my family.
That's fun.
What about you?
I didn't make an Easter. I didn't make an Easter basket. What's funny is normally I do make a basket.
Really?
Yeah, I'll make somebody a basket, and put just kind of their favorite things in it.
Cute.
But this year I'm not doing that. I honestly forgot that Easter was coming this year.
It happened very fast.
Time is flying by. All right, so we're gonna jump into our DIYs. Since we have our spring cleaning, did you hear that? Is our clock. Okay, so we have our spring cleaning sale going on right now, and we have up to 75% off our factory second items and 60% off our essential oils and other items that are not factory second. And we wanted to show you 2 cool DIYs that you can do using our essential oils that are 60% off. So do you want to start it off?
Sure. So the first one that we're going to do is a relaxing foot soak. You can do it in a foot soak or in your bathtub, but you'll just need 2.5 cups of Epsom salts, and we put it in a little jar. And then you're going to need an essential oil. We're going to use Breathe Easy today, just because spring is here, allergies are here,
yes.
So this helps open you up and relieve that congestion. So you'll need 35 drops of essential oil. I
have the worst allergies.
Really?
During allergy season, yeah. I don't know if you ever walk by my desk and see me just rubbing my eyes like a mad woman.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me and my allergies.
Ugh.
It's the worst. So maybe I should try the foot soak. I can't speak today. It's Friday.
You can take this one home.
Yeah. See if it helps me in my allergies.
So 35 drops. If you need it stronger, you can add more drops. So, and then just mix it, and that's it. And then just pour it into the bathtub.
Ooh, cool. You can smell it already. You can smell it from here.
It smells.
Whew.
Strong.
So the next DIY is I'm going to show you how to make a DIY bathroom spray. So bathroom sprays are great because, everyone, goes to the bathroom. And what you can do is you spray this into your toilet before you use the bathroom, and it covers up any smells. So if you have guests, they won't be embarrassed. Or it's great if you go on a trip,
Great idea.
Great idea to take with you on a trip. There's that. Okay, so what you'll need is witch hazel and your spray bottle. So you're not going to want to fill it all the way up to the top because you're going to want to make room for your essential oil. So I'll put it about here. So I filled it to about right here. And you can get this bottle on our website. It comes in a set of 5, so you can make as many DIYs as you want with it. And I'm going to take Joy Essential Oil, which is 60% off right now. And we're going to do 18 drops. Maybe 19. Okay. And then you're going to just want to put the lid on. and shake it up. So you can use it as your bathroom spray, of course, or you can use it as, it is Joy, so if you need just like a little
pick me up.
Just, ooh, it smells good.
So,
do you want me to spray it? Okay.
Yes.
It smells really good.
That smells pretty good.
So
I might get that one in the sale. I don't have that one in my collection.
I don't either. I actually need to shop the sale too, because there's so many oils that I love that it's such a good deal. Like
I'll be shopping for sure.
Yeah.
Especially the body oils.
Oh,
yeah.
We have factory second body oils.
The body oils and the massage oils are a great deal right now if you guys like those type of items.
Very true.
Yeah.
So we also have Peace, just other essential oils here that we'll just give you a little rundown on. So we have Peace essential oil. So if you're feeling kind of overwhelmed, life is kind of stressful, you can try Peace essential oil. It's very calming. It will bring you back to your center, which is really nice, which I love. Another one we have here is Energy. So happy Friday, Donna. Another one we have here is Energy. So our Energy blend, I didn't just discover it, but I just realized that I need this in my life because I've been having such a hard time staying awake.
Really?
And waking up in the morning.
Yeah. Because
of this time change, I don't know. This year, I just can't do it.
It's been really hard this year.
It's very rough this year to do this time change. But Energy, it does give you energy. It has essential oils in it that will wake you up. Why did I wave back? You know what? It's okay. We're here together. Let's wave. So that's why I love Energy essential oil. So you should check it out. It is 60% off, so you can't go wrong. It also makes a great gift if you know someone that's a little groggy in the morning. If you have a coworker that's a little sluggish, help them out.
You can diffuse that in the morning when you get ready.
Yeah.
Or even make a mist too.
You can make a mist. Or another cool thing you can do, since it's so small, you can keep it in your purse and just
sniff it,
smell it throughout the day when you need a little pick-me-up.
Yeah.
Whatever floats your boat. Next we have rosemary. So I personally love rosemary essential oil because it's so good for your hair. I'm all about hair because I'm a curly hair girl. And I love to take care of my hair and make sure that it's healthy. Yes. And rosemary essential oil is actually really great to promote hair growth. What I like to personally do is mix it with jojoba oil, which is my favorite carrier oil, and do a few drops of rosemary, and then I just brush it through my hair.
Good idea.
Yeah.
I usually just put the rosemary directly on my brush. I have a wooden brush, so it absorbs it.
Ooh.
And then I brush it through my hair.
Smart.
Yeah.
Smart, good.
The jojoba, though, helps condition your hair.
Yeah, helps condition it, too.
That's better.
Yeah. And then we have tea tree essential oil. So tea tree essential oil, it works wonders for a lot of reasons and does a lot of things, right? Because it has antifungal, antibacterial properties, along with black castor oil.
Oh, that's a good one.
That's what you do rosemary and black castor oil in your hair? That's cool.
Yeah, castor oil is really great for your hair. It's really great
for your hair. And I heard that it's really good for your eyelashes, to help your eyelashes grow, and your eyebrows.
Ooh.
So I've read.
Interesting.
I'll have to try it out. Maybe I'll try it out, let you guys know.
Yeah.
My eyelashes are actually kind of long, so it's not really fair.
Maybe I'll try it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not that yours are long. Yours are great. You have beautiful eyelashes, Dana.
Thank you, Jasmine.
So, tea tree essential oil. I love tea tree because it's great for if you have acne or breakouts. Not cystic acne or anything like that.
Or hormonal acne. It won't help with that.
It won't help with that. But if you have one-off little breakouts, I personally like to use it. I don't know if you like to use tea tree too.
I do too.
Yeah. So definitely don't put it directly on your skin. I know a lot of beauty bloggers are saying that they use tea tree oil. They just put it on a Q-tip and put it on your skin. Yeah. It will work, but it will burn.
Especially if you have sensitive skin.
Yes.
It might be too harsh for people who have sensitive skin types.
Exactly. So we highly suggest that you dilute it with a carrier oil. It will do the same exact thing. Yeah. It will not burn you and hurt as if when you put it directly on your skin. So if you've tried it and you put it directly on your skin and you broke out, I would suggest if you are willing to try it again, dilute it with something and then It should.
It's pretty drying too.
Yes.
So like if you have dry skin, diluting
Yes.
it is
The way
way
to go.
better. Yeah.
But always dilute your essential oils before applying them topically.
Yeah.
Please. We don't want you to get hurt.
Yeah.
And we want them to work for you.
Yeah.
Right? And then it's also great for minor foot
Minor foot issues.
issues.
Yeah, like athlete's foot or anything like bacterial. You can do a foot soak. You can add it to Epsom salts and do a foot soak or a bath soak.
Exactly.
Yep.
And then, so we have other items. So we have a section for factory second items. And do you want to tell them what factory second means?
So factory seconds are items that aren't perfect. They don't look perfect. We can't sell them to stores. They're like dented or the label's wrinkled or there's some sort of like packaging flaw. But the product inside is perfectly good. So still usable. Same great product. Just doesn't look as pretty.
Just not as great.
Yeah.
Just not as beautiful.
Yes.
Still great. Just
Yes.
not as beautiful.
I mean, we have a bunch of factory second rammies. They're still cute. Some of them just have like a few holes. So if you're a sewer, you can sew it back up, or
think
use it for any other.
This guy might just have a crooked smile, and that's kind of
Yeah, exactly.
all that it is.
Yep,
It varies. It varies. And then
he's pretty cute.
he is really cute, and he's so round. We also have what I love is that we have our factory second essential oil carrying cases. So with these, some of the zippers they work. They just get a little.
It's just a little tough to
Little
zip
tough
up
to
sometimes.
zip up and
They
unzip.
get stuck on the fabric. But
Yeah.
if you move the fabric
But
out of
if
the
you
way.
just move the fabric out of the way, they're great to go. So they're marked off 75% just
That's
because
a good
of
deal.
this slight issue. Hi, Olivia. And what I love most is that if you're on the go or you're traveling, you can, it fits your essential oils in here. And
And you can still read them through like the mesh too.
yeah, let me see if I can.
Or if you have the caps, the stickers that go on the caps too, it's easy to organize.
That would have been a good thing to bring to show you. But yeah, if you have your cap stickers, it's a great way to collect. And if you have essential oil lovers in your life, since they're 75% off, why not get it for you, your friends, family member? Or I think a great gift idea is if you get your essential oil carrying case for 75% off, fill them with your 60% off essential oils.
That's a great idea.
That's such a cute gift. And then, give it to a loved one.
That's awesome.
No one would not appreciate that gift.
For sure.
I would appreciate that gift, Dana.
I would look
I'm just kidding.
Now I know it's
Dropping
for your
hints.
birthday.
Oh, yes. Hello, Olivia. We hope that you're doing well. So, we hope that you guys shop our spring cleaning sale because it's such a good deal. We will be adding a few more products to our 75% off factory second section. And there's actually, with the products some of the products that we're adding, there's really nothing wrong with them. They're just kind of random one-off products that we created especially for certain occasions. And we just have a little bit of extra.
Sure.
And that's all that it is. So don't be weary when you're shopping the factory second items. They're great to use. Yes, you can put 10 ml carrier oils in in your case as well. So as always, we appreciate you guys for watching, and we will see you next Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.
Bye.
Bye.